Glee, folks. Hey, we finna be cleaning. We finna be cleaning the bird cage today. So let's get it. You already know. Y'all make sure y'all smash them like buttons. Hit them notifications. You already know the vibe. It's Big Money Road. Let's get it. Today, like I said, today we finna be cleaning out the bird cage. We got Butters right there up front. And we got Munchie back there. I already took out the first stick. So we could break down the cage, and then I'm gonna get them out, and we're gonna start cleaning. So let's get to it. Glee! Big Money Roll. Now she may bite, but it don't hurt. It don't hurt. She's just, you know how the girls are. For real, you know how the girls are. So I gotta take this one out right here. Unscrew this. Unscrew that. Put that right here. I got a bag. And not only are we gonna clean our bird cage and break it down, we're also gonna rearrange it. So I got I got some different stuff, latches and different things they can step up on and whatnot. So we're also going to be rearranging the bird cage a little bit for them today as well. So I'm very much looking forward to that. Putting these in there. Very much looking forward to that. Right there. They got as you can see, they got some hanging stuff, which they love and I love. They don't know what's going on, guys. They just see me taking toys away, so they don't know I'm about to rearrange it. They don't know I'm finna clean it and rearrange it and set it up real nicely for them. Mama keep lifting her butt, but I found out what that means.
Do you get a kick leeching off hardworking people?
You know your boyfriend gets a kick? Punching down on the little... Move!
The audacity of you bottom feeders. You act as if the world owes you something, and you contribute nothing.
Go away with words.
You're making a mistake.
I'm making a mistake. So it's the fucking psycho who kidnapped my friend!
Oh my god, again with the deflection. Your friend's choice has landed her here, not me.
Shut up! Now. I didn't mean it. Was an accident. I didn't mean to. I'm just looking for my friend. Where is my friend?
I need your help, baby.
Do you know how
I just need you to push this up so I can stretch this.
Do what?
Just push that light.
Lose.
Took the ladder up towards me and hand me that.
It's a profound loss. It was an accident.
Flip it the other way.
She came at me.
This
and
one?
just
No, I need to latch it. So
What's your
I need
pen
that.
here?
This thing.
I told you. I just want my friend. And we're gonna get the fuck out of here, I promise.
Perfect.
I meant more broadly. Surely you didn't dream of squatting in other people's homes.
Appreciate the deep dive.
It's supposed to be a small
Let that friend
piece, but I
grow.
couldn't. I don't know where it's at. Cause this big piece not supposed to be. See? Well, it's not tight. Cause this big piece not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be another small piece. Yeah, that's why it's not.
Everything is priced at a time.
We got it, folks.
Interesting. You
We
see
got
this
it. We
one
got
of
it.
yours.
Every action has a purpose. Shut the fuck up! Spare me the creepy psycho monologue and shut the fuck up!
Alright, like I said, I want to put this in here.
Realize the privilege you have right now. You stand at the precipice of history.
Karen?
Wouldn't you like to be a footnote in its making?
Karen? Karen?
An acceleration of metastasis. What would naturally take years, I achieved in minutes. This optimizes the cellular environment for the rapid proliferation of cancer cells.
You gave him cancer. What the fuck is wrong with you?
To reach greatness, one must occasionally defy nature's pace. Few can fathom a vision that soars above the confines of an ordinary life.
Where is she?
This is tiring, y'all. I'm gonna definitely have to edit the video and trim it down. I'm trying to give him new stuff, but man.
Your friend's bought you some more time. I can start on you.
Please don't do
It's
this.
really tiring, y'all.
I could make it easier on him, but I will need your phone.
Okay. The guest room,
Which one?
third floor, east side. Check the closet drawers. And you let him go?
I didn't say that. I said it would be easier for him.
Hey! Hey, what was it the deal?
Gotta put this in there. Oh, hey, they out playing, guys. Check it out. You see them?
Monster, right?
Look at Mama up there.
There are nothing but test subjects to it.
You see Munchie, y'all.
Dude,
And look at her. She up there chilling. Munchie right there. He's trying to figure out how to get up.
where is it?
Fucker took it with me in your phone.
He's trying to figure out how to get up. Say hey,
By
Mama.
the time we find anybody, all of
Say
us
hey,
will be
Munch
gone,
Man.
all of these people will be dead.
No way we can get rid of everything.
They walking around playing.
We have to take him out.
So he trying to figure out, like, how do I
We're
get
going to
up
use all of
there?
his resources to come after us.
I just put, one thing I use with hot water, soap, and this is the cage. I got a couple utensils to help me. I got a scraper, and I got 2 little wire brushes to help me scrape. I'm gonna throw some water on it, to get the stuff wet, and then we're gonna start scraping. So you already know. With no further ado, we finna get. With no further ado, we finna get to it. So let's do. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's do it. Hello. How you doing? I'm doing well, thank you. My hands already got dirty, crazy. So here we go. We're about to. Man, wet. Yeah, they wet. I'm gonna. Wait, oh, I got my thing dirty. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'll clean it. So let's lower y'all down. Pan y'all down. Lower and pan. I'm also working on trying to get these angles right for y'all too. So bear with me. So let's go. Put some water on it. Oh, let me take this little thing out so it don't get super duper wet. Alright, let's get some water on her. Right. Yeah, there we go. Alright, got right in this corner. There we go. Okay. Take our brush. We're gonna start at the bottom. Oh, I could have just slid this out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's crazy. Why did you got that out? That's gonna make that a hell of a lot easier. Stand that up like that. Get our brush. Just brush it. That's it. Just brush it. That's it. Oh. I thought I had to do all that bending and carrying on, and that's all I had to do. Man. And that stuff is coming right off, guys. All that stuff is coming right off. Right off. Oh wow. I was gonna bring them out here with me so they can see me, cleaning their cage, but they mama got them in there. She in there talking to them, playing with them. So I didn't want to disturb that, so I just let them be. But they out and about, walking around in the house now. Yeah, there we go. It's not gonna be like the super cleanest, but it's gonna look a hell of a lot better than what it did, So you wanna keep them clean, you wanna keep them healthy. You gotta make sure we keep their area clean, This is my first week cleaning it. I'll probably clean it like maybe once a. I'll probably clean their cage within a month, maybe 2 times a month, maybe 3 if it gets super, 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 super dirty. But it shouldn't get that dirty, so as long as you clean it probably 2 times a month, I think you'll be alright. And like I said, first time bird owner, so I really don't know, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be cleaning their cage I'm gonna probably clean their cage every 2 to 3 weeks. So that's just what I'm. Alright, I think I did a good job. But that be my first time. Look at that, y'all. What do y'all think? I think I did a good job for that to be my first time. Alright, let's put it over here. Let it dry a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna put it in the dirt. I'm leaning it right here. I'm leaning it right there, let it dry. And the only thing I gotta really do is get like the sides and like this right here, they fly all over the cage, so it's everywhere. But as long as you get most of it, we'll be good to go. So you get the back of that, so you get the little crevices right there. Yeah, that's what I want to get. Get that, get that out there. Drop that right there. Get all that out there. Get all that out there. And we're gonna go on the other side, and we getting all that out there. We getting all that up out of there. All this right here, get up out of there. Do that. Get all that up out there. Get that all up out there. Just like so. Their cage looks so much better. It looks so much better. It wasn't really that dirty. You gotta keep it clean. It's a bird cage. What you think? It's gonna be pooping in here. you know. But everybody been watching the football games and see how the football games been going. We're going pretty crazy. We're going crazy. So let's go throw the rest of the water on here. Right there, acting crazy. Make sure I get that on top. Right there. Clean it a little bit. Make sure we get all that off there. Yeah, get all that off there. Woo, see? Got that thing clean. We wasn't even playing with it. Got that off. We got them nice and clean now, y'all. I just gotta go back in there. So now we just gotta go back in there, clean off their climbing utensils a little bit. That's what the scraper's gonna come in there. I'm gonna go in there and scrape off their stuff. We'll come back out here and scrape off their stuff. And then we're gonna go back inside. We're gonna rearrange it, and we gonna have some fun. We getting it. Bird cleaning cage day. You already know. Big money already clean the bird cage. I'm out here really doing it. You know what I'm saying? Big clean pieces. Good folks. We back in here. Bird cage. Got it clean. Got it up. Oh, let me go grab the black thing. Gotta put the newspaper down. Ooh, got it. Gotta put some newspaper on it. Slide that back in there like so. And then I'm just gonna change out their this is their travel bag. They were supposed to be out there chilling with me, but like I said, they stayed in the house with their mama and chilled with her. But I got their travel bag. I'm just gonna switch out the newspaper that's at the bottom. Give them some fresh newspaper in there. Cause I think we might take them for a ride later on in the day. Get them out the house some. But they doing really well though. They are thriving. Try not to get my baby in the shot, so I want you to see them. They sitting right above my baby. You saw her forehead right there, but that's them. Say hey, Butters. Hey, Butters. Hey, Munchie. Munch man. Munchie. That's Butters over there. Oh, what's up, girl? What up, Munchie? They coming to live now. Yeah, y'all on camera. Yeah, I got y'all. Yeah, but that's them. What's up, Munchie? What's up, man? Yeah? You say what? Subscribe? You say subscribe, yeah. What about you, Butters? Tell them to like. Tell them to hit that like button. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Follow. All that good stuff. But that's them. That's my two little babies. But yeah, this is their cage. We're getting their cage together. So now we about to rearrange their cage. Yes. What's up? That's Munchie making all that noise. He want to talk now. He feeling boisterous. But yeah, so now we finna, like I said, I'm throwing some newspaper down on this and their travel bag. So now we about to set up their cage. So, fun. Yes, I'm definitely getting in the shower when I'm done with this. First time cleaning their cage, I did not realize everything was gonna fly off and go everywhere like that. I did not realize that, y'all. Everything flew off. It went everywhere. But it's all good though. Like everything is all good. So, I'm gonna put some cages up. Michi loves his goal. He loves it. This is where he stays. This is his goal. He loves going over there, loves crawling on it. So I'm gonna leave the goal here. I think I'm gonna put a purge back here. And I didn't have any purges right here, so I think I'm gonna probably put a purge over here. I think I'm gonna throw their ladder back up the way it was, because this is where their cage is that they can go in and kind of have a little intimate time. Or if Mama has eggs, she can go in there. So I think I'm gonna kind of set that back up where we had the two things here in the ladder. I think I'm gonna set that same setup back up, but I am gonna, like I said, put a purge here. I want to put a purge here, and then I'm gonna put some stuff over here. So yeah, it's gonna be the same but slightly different. So let's get it. Let's do it. Yeah, what's up? I can go with I should give them this. I think that'd be cute. I'll put that right here. I could put because this is where they feed at, so I'm gonna put that stick back right here. So I just know they get down a lot, so I think I want to probably go right here with it. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna also put a purge on the outside so they can when they are on the top, if they want to come and kind of hang out and talk to us, I'm gonna put a little purge on the outside so they can get to as well. Cause you know they be outside the cage a lot and they be chilling. Look, I gotta show y'all this. Butters is nibbling. Butters is sitting here nibbling on baby's head. Y'all see that? Oh, she want to stop, but she was sitting there nibbling on her. Stop nibbling on baby. Look at her. Y'all the stars. Those are my babies. I love them. Cockatiels. I love them. They're adorable. So, all right, let's go back to the cage. Let's start the setup. Put that back in there. They don't really be going for snacks. So instead of that going back in there, I'm gonna put a purge back there. I think I'm saying it right. I think it's called a purge. I hope I'm saying that right. I really don't know, guys. But yeah, like I said, they eat right in here, so they definitely gotta have one down here, you know. Might help if I would have took a picture. Alright, look, do I took 3,000? Let's do mine. First time bird owner, folks. I don't know if I said that. So, I'm not sure. Where are you? Got any ideas? Oh, okay. Wait, I think I got it. Oh, I got it. Ooh, got it. Is that too close? Is that good? Yeah, it definitely sat right there. I just don't know if it sat that close. I think it did. Yeah, that's it. Alright, now, look at the other one in there. That's close, right? To back it up, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if it was that close. I'm getting it together. I think I put them in a little too close. Back one. Perfect, yeah. Alright, I went back one spot. I think I had a little too close. We had these right here. This is where, like I said, they got to be able to step up and get to. They can get to. Sorry. I'm not do that. I scared them myself. I don't like to. Now we put some purges in here, y'all. Give him some branch. Give him some branch light. The branch. The branch right here.
The board is blowing out all the 2023 season. Next year, 0% financing. So the points on Friday, they're going to do this pricing on every 2023. So bring in a competitor offer, even Sunday, making their best deal on the spot. Sunday always Friday. But the reliable access will never be available. And now, the best price too. See Sunday
I'll get it. Yeah, I know.
Oh, but you gonna let me get it?
Let's try. Got it.
You know?
Yeah, her mouth. Oh, sorry guys. Yes, we got the branch. We got one branch in. I think that looks cute right there. You know, I'm gonna rest and land on that.
That's how it is.
Like I said, I'm gonna put a purge on the outside, so when they outside the cage.
Yes, that's Munchies making up that noise, guys.
I'm sorry, I just got out of the recording for a minute, but I'm back. Yeah, I'm gonna put, like I said, I'm gonna put a purge on the outside of the cage, so I know they come out. They like to chill on the outside of the cage, so I'm gonna put a purge on the outside when they out. Think that'd be a good spot? What do you think? Think this would be a good spot? But you know they come outside the cage. Have something for the race.
Okay. The invitation down here is worth calling.
I'm big enough.
Cancer analysis. It's our own self. So try
Look at the mask or something.
each variant communicates the person within these walls. I'm unlocking that. Can you think of a greater legacy than that?
And I want to put my curtain on outside too, guys. Chill out. Chill outside.
Who are you? Oh my god, please help me. Yeah. What? Your everybody usually goes where we have wolves. You're inviting someone over, give me a fucking heads up. No, that's not what's happening here. Please, come back in a minute. Tell me you're working. Guys, listen to me. We need to get out of here now. Wait, what can I do? Trevor, I'm afraid. Yeah. You helped me find my necklace. Oh, is that what's out here? No, he didn't find me. I've been living here. What? He asked you to bed. No, listen to me. My birthday, but don't say it happened. Pierce! You fucking heard it. I got you. Pierce, he is a fucking monster. Leo, get out of the house now. Listen to me. No, listen to me. Just stop it. No, get out of it. He is killing people. He's not even here. He moves now. Get it? Pierce, he's dangerous. Just listen to me. Okay, keep moving. Pierce, I fucking your alcohol party. You've been really fucking sneaky. I can prove it. You're not crazy. I filmed everything. What do you mean? I don't have my phone, but I recorded it. There's some underground lab, and he has all these people there. And it's messed up. You just listen to me, please. We're not safe here. Okay, well, you sound psycho. Move. Pierce, listen to me. I'm not lying. No, we have to run. Oh my god, babe, your face.
Jess.
No, we have to run now.
You're back, right?
I tried to tell you earlier she wasn't responding. You didn't call me back. What's up, she?
No, she's not. I meant to call it. It's been a challenging evening.
Babe, we have been. Obi doesn't work without clear communication and boundaries.
Look at her. No, it's not like that. Give me a gun.
No, please. I'm begging you. Do not give me this.
She's been squatting here, hiding in our home.
Oh my god, that is so fucking creepy. I promise you, no one here has done what he's been doing.
She's all over the right. She drew here. I'm in the elevator.
I know this video's getting long, but we're gonna edit it and do all that good stuff.
She has video. Why don't you put this on?
She can't. Signal's blocked.
You're wrong. I have a front row seat in New York that guy. I owned everything. And all of it automatically to my cloud, and other people have access to it. We'll see what you've been doing. You're lying. Where is it, you bitch? Let me go. No, no. Shit. How's that, please?
Be exhausted. Go relax now. She's not right. You've wasted a lot of time, see?
And I'm looking at my head.
Can you answer, please? I'm trying to get into the house. I need to take a shower. Order me one, please. Howdy, hello. Howdy, say hello. Okay? You okay?
They don't know.
Okay.
It's y'all page. I'm trying to do.
Hey, I get you about last night, but you could at least let me know.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
When I feel like sleep last night, so I'm going to stay. What's up now?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Stop on the days.
What's that? What's that, Marcus?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Let's check my drink.
Get in my head. Don't trust you. What's that?
Yeah, I need you to call me back. Just need to know you're okay. Wait. You gonna try and worry me to death? Okay?
Hey, is that you?
Yeah.
She cracked open the drink Elton gave us. I hate her though. Which I said,
Yeah, she's perfect.
Is that my juice?
you're sure no one's coming for her?
Look, I know I usually do it more recon on subjects, but I promise she's fine. She's the only one. I really like that one.
I think I really test that though. But you really busy boy. They went in a different direction.
So we are not using a researcher account. We can't fire a student in bankruptcy.
Hey, everybody. Say hey, Munch. Hey, Munchie. That's my head.
She's lying on her head.
Things get stuck in there. Stay out.
Do you sleep every smart bed? Can you more about cold?
Wait, no, I'm
Don't be right here in the camera. You better stay on my head. Look here, man. You keep trying to go to my head, and I'll keep trying to turn back around. And you gonna fight.
Red bananas, split bananas, banana cream pie bananas. Ah, God, just what they need. Bananas. On his first day of retirement, Marcus brought in his contract.
Yes, man.
I'm never again work for another man or talk.
I don't play.
I laid out my badge, abandoned my corporate phone plan, and I'll get a new plan with consumer cellular, without a contract, without sacrificing coverage.
Let's go, birds.
When freedom calls, we're here to answer.
Don't play.
Calibration's almost done.
Got my booty. No, but just come together, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I know I'm not like that, so that's so close. I to get the space. You know, I'm trying to get the spacing right, guys.
Where is she?
downstairs.
Take that now.
So, any more of you squatters selfing around? Oh, wait, is it Robert? Weird name. It sounds such a
Just keep moving.
Glee, folks. I'm back, and this is the finished product of their cage. We cleaned it. We changed out their foods. Got some snacks for them. Got some more food. Got some water. And they are doing great. I'm going to put some more water for them. I'm going to go to the store, and I'm going to introduce them to some broccoli. So we're going to see how they like that. I tried to give them an apple. Mama nibbled on it a little bit, but that was it. That's all she did. She just nibbled on it a little bit. So I don't think they want apple. So we're gonna try broccoli, and then I'm gonna try broccoli and spinach, and see if maybe they'll eat that. I'm trying to incorporate some more food into their diet other than the pellets that I'm feeding them now. But Mama loves eggs. But if I give her eggs, I only give her a little bit. I don't give her a lot. But Mama Butters, she loves eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Baby gave her some scrambled eggs. She ate a little bit of that. But she loves hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to make a hard-boiled egg later on, and we'll give it to her. And I'm going to show you. Mama loves eggs. And Mr. Munch right here, Mr. Munchie, we're going to find out what he likes. I'm not quite sure, but we're going to find out what he likes, and we're going to make sure we have his diet. I'm going to start training them, so they're going to be trained. But right now, they're doing good. They're awesome. They're checking out their new digs. You know, I put a purge up. I put 2 little purges in the back. I got them a purge on the outside, so when they come outside, they can sit right here and talk and whatnot. But they love staying on top of the cage for the most part. And yeah, this is Mama right here. She be trying to bite me, but it don't hurt. It don't hurt. But yeah, everything going good. My babies, they doing well. This is their cage. It's nice. It's clean. It's beautiful. Just like them. They're gonna get baths later on. We freshened up their travel bag. We took out the old newspaper down there. Got some fresh ones, because like I said, we're gonna take them for a ride a little later on today. But yeah, this is them. Big Glee is Big Money Roll. Hey, y'all make sure y'all smashing the like buttons, following, share this, because Money Roll trying to blow. I'm trying to get my subscriber count up. We on the road to greatness, so make sure y'all smashing that subscribe button, hitting them like buttons, interacting in the comment. If you wanna if you wanna donate to the channel, you can do that. Link is in the bio. You can definitely donate to the channel. If you wanna donate to the birds, if you want me to go buy them something, get them something, food or whatnot, hey, donate. They'll love it. I'll love it. You know, support. But these are my babies, and they're doing well, and they're thriving.